Yeah, about 30 or 40 minutes from here, we could take the tube, probably change lines once, or just get a cab.
Oh, tube in this heat. No thanks. I'm not in the mood to be pressed between armpits and backpacks.
Fair point. Cab it is. Let's go to a little posh today.
Posh writer and posh historian on a London treasure hunt. I like the sound of that. Shall we dress the part?
Absolutely. Give me 10 minutes to change into something suitably mysterious.
Same here. I think I brought that flowy black dress I always say makes me look like a Victorian widow.
How do I look?
Like someone who might know the difference between Georgian and Edwardian teacups.
Perfect. And you?
Torling. Like I hide a secret diary filled with dark confessions.
Then we're ready. I'll order a cab.
Look at that building. What a beautiful facade. Do you think it's Victorian?
Late Victorian, I'd guess. The red brick and arched windows are a giveaway.
You're like a walking textbook. In the best way.
And you're like a walking whodunit.
We make a good team.